I have no idea if this is going to work, but today we will find out. Last time I took off some parts of the engine and also removed the valve cover. And as you see, I found a lot of sludge, like old oil, everywhere. I tried to clean it as much as I could, but it was hard. I also replaced the gaskets. So today I will add the valve cover back and also start the engine. So this is how it looks right now. I don't have any air filters in place. There's also missing this whole section here, which you can find here on the floor, with a lot of screws. Here are the old air filters. I don't know how old they are, but maybe you can take a look here. So they are a bit dusty. I would say that they are probably not working that well in this shape. So therefore I bought new ones. I have here. So let's take a look how the new ones look. It was the right package at least. I don't know why it is like this, but they are stuck together, but then it's like, yeah, very easy to break them. I don't know if that matters actually, but wow, there's such a big difference. These are the new ones. If you take a look here and compare it, these are the old ones. That actually makes sense because I know that the oil in this engine has, it was a long time ago they were switched out and maybe even have been running without oil flow. Yeah. So this is a proof of that. I don't think these have been changed for a long time either. Okay, let's fit these first. And this is the cover for the air filter, and as you can see there's a net in there, which I guess is taking care of the big things so that it doesn't go into the engine. There's also some connector here, which I guess is measuring the airflow. It was a bit tighter than I remembered. It's hard to get the right angle here in the bottom because I don't see anything, which makes this very tricky. I thought this would be like the easiest thing ever to just put in there, but obviously it's not. At least not for me. Yes, I think it's in there. Yeah, first in. Let's take the second one. This will probably be a bit harder because here I have like this one still on this casing here. But yeah, I managed to get it off like this, so I hope I will get it on too. Let you fade, and I want you to breathe in the light we made. I never asked for your fears. There we have it. It's on. Shouldn't be any problems to add it, but I hope I don't forget any connectors or cables. So I'm missing one of these. This one here on this side. And I don't have any on this side. Ah. On the floor. Okay. Now that is on. Yes. These tools are good. In many cases. Since it's plastic too. So we should have a connector here. I don't know where that is though. Here's a cable. Okay, here it is. So this is the air sensor. And we have another one on this side. Somewhere. We don't have one here. For real, I'm wondering what I've been doing with this. Because I can't find it. Yeah, there it is. Now we're getting close. Actually, I think when these are tightened, this one, this one, this one, I think, of course we can add the cover here too, but then I think we are good and okay to start it. I'm very nervous about this because I've been working with this now for a couple of weeks I've never been taking off the valve cover before and switching out some parts there. And it feels like I've been missing something now when I put this together. And it's not a fun feeling. I don't like it at all. But let's see when I turn the key what happens.
Rest on my mind. I'm trying to hold my weight. I'm trying to go my time. Talking expensive pain.
Last part. And it's the best part, the V8 side. Now we have a complete engine, I think. And if you saw something that was missing, it's too late, because now we'll try to start it. And wish me luck. It's been a few months now since I started this one. Okay, let's do it. Oh. It's of course totally dead. So there's no battery in it. Oh, what a... Oh. Maybe that was the best. Let's put in this charger. I have one of these, which I think is really good. I forgot that it was disconnected though, because I needed to have that cable it was connected to. I needed to have that for some garden lights. But okay, let's connect this. It doesn't seem to give any current at all. It's usually going at least to 1 here. This was a waste. It's still not charging, so maybe I need to buy a new battery. Let's see. I will leave this during the night and see what happens. This ending wasn't what I planned for, but in the next episode I will definitely start this. When it starts, I know there are still oil problems. It might be leaking somewhere. Maybe even from the valve cover that I took off and put on again. I need to do an oil flush or something. I want to get all that sludge out of the engine so it's get cleaned. So maybe I need to refill it a few times with new oil and let it run for a while. So things don't always go as planned, and unfortunately for me, they never do, sort of. With this car, or maybe with all cars I will be working on. This is my first car, and I don't really know what I'm doing, which is sort of fun, but also a bit, I don't know, challenging sometimes. So, if you still want to see what I'm doing, and also what I'm not managing to do and maybe fail on, subscribe to this channel. And I will put some more videos up there for you to look into. By the way, it was a long time I sat in this car before, and I really like this one. It's not working properly though. So that's also one other episode to look into how to fix it. If I need to change the battery, I wonder where it is even. I don't have a clue. If you know where it is, or maybe you can see it here, add some comments. And also give me feedback about anything.